Okay, in this video, I will show you how to find parallel line from given graph here. And here, if you look at it, I gave you 3 graphs. And here we have some questions. But in this video, we will just focus on this graph. Now, what is parallel line? Parallel lines are lines that have same slope therefore they never meet. Here we have this graph. The question says, find a linear equation that is parallel to given line below and passes through point 2, negative 2. So this is a line that has y-intercept of 1, but we want to find parallel line that passes through 2, negative 2 here. Okay, so we want to find some kind of line that passes through here, like something like that. Okay, I just roughly drew it. Now, how can we do it algebraically? Step 1. You have to choose 2 points from the graph because in order to be parallel, you should have here exactly same slope. So to me, this point and this points are given. And again, you don't have to use this one. So in this video, I will use this and this, okay? Which is gonna be 0, 1, and the other one is gonna be negative 1, negative 2, 1, 2, 3, negative 3. All right? Now, let's label it x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's find slope here. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And y2 in this case is negative 3 minus y1 is just positive 1. Let's not forget about this parenthesis. x2 is negative 2 minus x1 is just 0. And this is just same as negative 4 over negative 2, which is gonna be positive 2. So here we found the slope. Now, step 3 says we have to use slope points law formula using this slope. But in this time, for the x1 and y1, instead of using this one, we're not going to use this, but we will use this one because the line should pass through like this point here that is given. So this is going to be our x1, y1. Here we go. Y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Let's plug in one by one. Y minus our y1 in this case is negative 2 equals slope is equal to here 2. And x minus x1 is again positive 2 here. Let's do one by one. So this negative times negative become positive. Here, this one is just positive, so let's put just x minus 2. Let's get rid of this one parenthesis. And next step, you just distribute, which you will get y plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. We're almost done. Minus 2 both sides, and you will get y equals 2x minus 6. And that's it here. So this is very easy question, but you have to expect this type of questions on your test. And let me go over this question, and that's it for this video. Let me go a bit faster, but this time let me use these 2 points that are given due to time. Now 1 point is at where 0 comma negative 2, yep, and the other point is at 2 comma 3. Again, this is going to be our x1, y1, x2, y2. So in order to be parallel, because question is asking for the parallel line that passes through this point, which is going to be our another x1 and y1 later. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 in this case is 3 minus negative 2 over 2 minus 0, which is gonna be, what, 2 negatives become positive, so it's gonna be 3 plus 2 over 2, which is 5 over 2. Now here, let's use this as x1 and y1 here. Okay. Now y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Y minus, what's y1 in this case? 2. Slope is 5 over 2. X minus x1 is negative 4. And if you simplify this, that's going to be what? Y minus 2 is equal to 5 over 2. Now these two negatives become positive, so it's going to be x plus 4. It looks a bit weird, so here you go. That looks right now. Now let's distribute. So y minus 2 equals 5 over 2 times x is 5 over 2x. 5 over 2 times 4. Now let's make a side note here to give you good habit. Again, 4, you might want to make it as a fraction like this. 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 1 is 2, which will be 10 if you simplify. So this one is positive 10. At last, we have to add 2 here, which will be y equals 5 over 2x plus 12. It's easy like this. I hope it helped. See ya.